Oneness is not a movement or a new system of thought. It is the way the universe is structured. Innumerable, interconnected and interrelated processes working in synchrony is what we call the universe. And oneness is the natural law that shows up throughout the universe. Wherever there is oneness, there is order. And when life strays from oneness, there is disorder. The human body maintains its health in a state of oneness. The biosphere maintains its balance between the varied life forms in oneness. Thus, a return to an awareness of oneness in consciousness is awakening. A return to a state of oneness by the body is health. Let us now distinguish between three different concepts floating around in the name of health. 1. Fitness. 2. Health. 3. Wellness. Fitness is the ability to perform athletic activity. Health, however, is a state where all the systems of the body are working in an optimal way, namely nervous, muscular, skeletal, circulatory, the digestive system, etc. Most people think that fitness implies health, but the truth is that they don't necessarily go hand in hand. It is ideal to have both health and fitness, but by putting health first, you will always enjoy tremendous benefits in your life. If you achieve fitness at the expense of health, you may not live long enough to enjoy your spectacular physique. Wellness, on the other hand, is about the body, mind, and consciousness functioning in oneness. Within the mind, there should be oneness between the various personalities. We are divided into any number of personalities which are at loggerheads with each other, and hence the inner conflict. When there is an integration of personalities, there is a return to psychological well-being. Within the body, there should be oneness between the various organs. The functioning of every organ is dependent upon the proper functioning of other organs. So each organ must be in harmony with the other. Every organ is, for example, connected to the spine, which in turn is connected to the brain. If any one organ is affected, there is no proper signal to the brain, which in turn affects the entire system. Thus, oneness between the organs is the way to total health. In consciousness, one must rise to higher levels of awareness to realize the oneness that already is.